How to create a Facebook post in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button with the plus icon in the top left corner. Next, select Facebook post from the list of popular design types. Canva will open a blank canvas with the recommended Facebook post dimensions. You can also choose a pre-designed template from the left-hand panel by clicking on Templates and searching for Facebook post templates. Once your canvas is ready, you can start designing. Use the left panel to add elements, text, photos, or backgrounds to your post. Click on any element to add it to your canvas, then resize, move, or customize it using the toolbar at the top. You can change colors, fonts, and effects to match your branding or personal style. To add text, click on the text option, choose a heading, subheading, or body text and type your message. Customize font, size, color, spacing, and effects to make your text stand out. You can also use Canva's photo library or upload your own images from the Uploads panel. Apply filters, effects, and adjustments to enhance your visuals. Combine multiple elements, icons, or shapes to create a professional and eye-catching Facebook post. Once your design is ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download to save your Facebook post in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Now you know how to create a Facebook post in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.